ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಶೋಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓವರ್ಸೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಾರಿಜಿನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್ ರೋಲೆಂಡ್. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಶೋಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಿನ ಕರ್ಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಇರೋದು ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಜಾನಿ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಂದಿನಂತೆ. ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಡಿದ್ದು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಗಳು ಆಡಿದ್ದು ರೋಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಓಪನರ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಡಿರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 3 ಡಬಲ್ 100 ನಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ, ಒಂದು MP ಮೇಲೆ, ಒಂದು J&K ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾರಿ?
Forgot.
You scored so many runs, you've forgotten. What is this, man?
Actually, Assam.
Assam, correct. I remember you, but you've forgotten it. And I remember you were one of the best hundreds was against Tamil Nadu at RSI, against Balaji, Ashish Kapoor, Ram Kumar, Srinivas, Karnataka versus Tamil Nadu. That was one of the best games we have played against. But I'm not giving you so much time to even introduce you, but I myself am doing it. You played some of the best knocks for Karnataka, scoring more than 4,000 runs in about 60-65 odd first class games. You were rated as one of the successor for Rahul Dravid, staying at the wicket. And then you are one of the best shots was sweep, which I always criticize, saying, hey, Barry, sweep ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡ ಗುರು, ಯಾವ ನೋಡ್ರೆ sweep ಹೊಡಿತ್ಯಾ, ಗುಡ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ. But looking at your career, are you happy with Karnataka cricket, or are you sad that when I was a coach, you played the last game for Karnataka?
Actually, I remember that match in RSI where we had a really good partnership, playing the reverse swing of Balaji, and you got a big 100, I think, second innings.
A double 100.
Yeah, a double 100. And I remember a lot of, actually, no one realizes, but I copied a lot of your stuff when I played spin.
Don't tell me, man.
No, I didn't even realize it, but you copy people without seeing, without thinking. And I seen so much of you playing spin. I always remember how you initially moved and how you waited for the ball and played under your eyes. So that is something I subconsciously learned a lot from you. So thank you for teach. And you were always good in BUCC games, like teaching us how to construct innings, and always positive about hey, batting is very easy for just go and hit the ball, and you made it look easy, and you also always gave a good, very easy feeling for batting. So, and one bat couple of double hundreds I got was one of your bats which you threw away after you got out in Hyderabad.
So how many things I've thrown away, man? Chairs I've thrown, bats I've thrown, I've thrown people from the team.
Yeah, you've done a lot of bad things, which was, I think I'm very happy because I got a nice, very good bat that I never forget the bat.
Johnny,
ವಿಜಯ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ
ಸೈಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಡಬಲ್ 100 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 100 ಗಳು ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯ್, ನೀನ್ ಬಿಸಾಕೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ನೀನು ಬೌಲಿಂಗು ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಸುಮ್ನೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನೀನು.
Since you are talking about throwing, I thought, let me recall that.
I will challenge that in the court of law.
Really a lot,
I will challenge that in the court of law. Anyway.
And you will tell them ಇದು ಥ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಥ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ. Your last game was 2007 for Karnataka, but ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು, you had a fantastic career for Karnataka. So how did you feel playing for Karnataka, Barry, first of all? From juniors, I'm saying.
I was lucky. I played under 13, under 16, under 19, like the whole, the Karnataka developed me. And when I did play Ranji, I was playing with all the best players in India, from Kumble, Srinath, Dravid, Joshi, Venkatesh Prasad, yourself, Jack. It was amazing. So it was like a great learning experience. It was very easy, I think, for anyone, youngsters, and to just go into a team that was so strong, and you just learn because you're watching them every day and playing with them. So it was a great honor and great privilege, I think, that time.
ಜಾನಿ
Enjoyed
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
it.
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಗೆ?
100% ಆಡ್ಬೋದಾಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಯಾಕೋ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನೀನ್ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ?
I think I wanted to experience life as well. You know, sometimes at that point of time, I think I was quite tired of cricket. You know, I was tired of the whole system, and I think I performed quite a lot, and I was frustrated I didn't play the next level when I think I was performing quite a lot. And I reached the point where I was like, you know, you realize that you're not going forward, then what's the point? You at least look at your own life separately, and I wanted to explore life as well, so took the journey, and I'm happy, enjoying, still coaching, still playing. So yeah, it's a great journey.
ವೈ
ಜಾನಿ
ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್?
ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್
ಯಾಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ವೈ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್?
I think New Zealand is a very peaceful place, very calm, there's not much people here, so it's a very good lifestyle. I enjoy that. I think you'll probably know I was a very quiet person anyway. So it was a very ideal place. England, my sister lives in England, but I think I liked New Zealand because it was very peaceful, very quiet place.
Oh.
And people treat each other very well here. So a lot of respect to people.
In fact, I remember you as a kid when your dad encouraged you a lot. And your name, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್ ರೋಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು 100%.
ಕೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್.
But people, I'll tell you a funny story. Whenever I used to, like, you know, when we play Mysore or Hubli, I used to write my name. I used to write Barrington, and they're like, "Hey, bro, yen nesru idu, bro." So I changed. I used to write Ravi or Suresh or something like that. So they won't hit my head and left. Bro, you know, thank you, boss. They don't know anyway who you are anyway.
ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾರಿದ್ ಮರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಜಾನಿ. ಒಂದು ಡೆಬು ಗೇಮು 100 ಡೆಬು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಲ್ಗೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ರಾಜು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಬ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಬಾಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಟೀ ಕಳ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ರಾಜುಗೆ. ಡೆಬು ಗೇಮು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೂ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು ಅಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರ್ಬೇಡ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜಾನಿ.
Amazing, Barry. Only Barry can do such things.
And you know who my roommate was?
David Johnson. One more guy. Amazing roommates.
So I'm standing in short leg after getting good shouting from I think Raghunath was the coach.
Raghunath, yeah.
He said, "I'm going to send you back and all." I think my career just started, it's finished also. I'm in short leg and I'm crying. Okay, I'm like literally crying, and the batsman, he turned around and he's like, "Guru, everything is okay. Ma baap sab theek hai." I'm like, "I'm okay." My last batch.
Amazing, Guru. The second incident I still remember is Barry Nindo. You played Gokul Krishnan without helmet. Guru, helmet hakondo Guru. That would be dangerous anta. You got hit on the eye, correct?
Yeah. 10 sutures.
Yeah, amazing, man. You but still went on and played against him.
No. I went to hospital. My mother almost had heart attack. She said if I go to play, she's going to die. So I had to stay back and get the surgery. But I remember you also and everyone telling me to wear a helmet. But I thought I was Viv Richards. Instead, I became. After getting hit on my head, I started crying. Mommy, I want mommy.
That was Ranji Trophy, not even junior game. Johnny, the third incident ನಾಪ್ಕ ಇದೆ ನಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲುಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ. ಯಾಕೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 100 ಹೊಡೆದೆ ಅಂತ.
Barry, tell us about this man brushing your teeth, wearing the helmet. You wanted to play some clean innings, is it?
No, man. My dad used to keep saying, "Be like Viv Richards, bat like him, you know, no helmet, nothing and all that." So I thought I was Viv Richards. Unfortunately, I was a little bit slightly different. Now, even if like a kid ball spin to me, I still wear a helmet.
That's nice. That's nice. Very nice. But ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಕೋಚಸ್. ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ. you're a qualified level 3 New Zealand certified coach and level 2 ECB coach, correcta? If I'm right. So ನೀನು ಆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನು ಜಾನಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್, how come they are producing so much quality players? Someone like Devin Conway, I know he's from South Africa. Kylie Jamison, Off-Relato, Wardling, Latham, ಎಂತೆಂತ players guru, and Matt Henry, what a bowler he's been turning out to be in England. What's the secret? Infrastructure or the system? How is it?
I think it's everything. It's one is the culture. The training culture is amazing. Like when if you're not fit, they don't look at you. Full stop. You can have any amount of skill, they won't look at you. You have to first pass the fitness standards to even be playing under 19 Auckland. Forget about playing New Zealand. That is number one. Number two is, I think, just the culture is quite. There's only 6 teams, right? So the culture is very strong. The first class level is really good. So like there's a lot of guys who are, even not even in the New Zealand team right now, like Glenn Phillips or a couple of keepers around, who I think if they play next level, they'll do well. Because it's so hard to get into the team. Like Kyle Jamison took 5 years to get into the team. So he had to earn his way up slowly and to break into the team. And I think that is one of the main things, that the culture is very, very competitive, because only 66 players are competing. So the quality of the standard of cricket is very high. So when I even came here, I was shocked. The club cricketers, every like the top 4 teams, all the bowlers are bowling good pace, like 135, 140. It's not like someone's bowling like 110 or something. And playing, and the wickets are very good also. I think the groundsmen take good care of the wickets, so the pitches are very good. Green wickets, bouncy wickets, and we use turf balls, like the Kookaburra turf balls for club cricket. That is like test cricket balls that you're using. So bowlers have to perform. You have to really run and bowl. You can't just bowl with an old big seam or something and just bowl. So that is also a very, I think that is small things, but they matter. I think those are the little things that they do very well. And one thing once someone gets in the system, they take good care of them. There's a lot of emphasis on psychologists. There's a lot of emphasis on, like, see, when we played, like, if you think about it, you didn't get that, if you're mentally not ready, or if you're not mentally like having a bad time, there was no real help around the person. So the person was like left to you. You went through it yourself, right? When you played international cricket, it was a very hard time. After performing so well, but then when you go there, the next level, you need support. So most of these guys have been getting that. Now see William, he has been performing so well for 5 years. Now he's got his chance, and he's got 200s already in domestic cricket, I think, in UK. So you can see that standard. And I think it's because of the conditions over here, because it's hard to score runs. Like first 3 months of the season, the bowler is green and it's seaming around. So the really elite batsmen like Devin Conway, he came here. Yes, he came, but he was scoring runs and batting through tough time. And then suddenly, when they jump to that international level, the standard, it's not too different. I think that's why they are able to, get in there and perform. Quite a few guys.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So Johnny, ಇವನು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ there's no surprise. ಇದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು 50 ಓವರ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ they were nowhere in the scene initially. But if you look at their behaviors, New Zealand cricketers, they are so well mannered, brilliant at ella kada execution of skills, whether it's catching, fielding. There's somewhere different level anta anustha ide nanage, catching, fielding, especially slip cordon alli nodtu antandre the way they caught the ball against England. I think England had no clue. So I know you are talking about the fitness level, but skill level ashte chennagide Johnny, New Zealand alli nodtu andre.
That England New Zealand series I was watching, Vijay, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ, 91% ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ನೀನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಅವನು ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡು, ನೀನ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೂ ತಗೊಳಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವನಿರ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಮಿ ಮೋರ್ ಇಸ್ New Zealand population is just below 50 lakhs. Okay, the financial resources compared to BCCI, it is incomparable. Somewhere I have read, Barry, Virat Kohli revenue and the annual revenue, it is the revenue of New Zealand Cricket Board. But still, you are able to give that kind of quality, and every New Zealand cricketer is liked by every country, not just India. I'm telling Vijay, wherever they tour, New Zealand cricketers are liked and respected.
Oh,
That's
100%.
true. So Barry, ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you give chances for New Zealand right now to beat India in Southampton. What do you think is their strength, New Zealand?
See, they are so disciplined with the way they play the game. The bowlers just bowl good areas consistently. You know, they put so much pressure on the batters because they're not doing too much. Like Jameson, he's putting it in good areas. Saudi is doing the same, and then Wagner just keeps bowling. That's a fitness level, right? He bowls 40 overs and he'll bowl bouncers the whole day. That's madness. Like, and that's where I think they're doing so well. They put opposition under so much pressure by just bowling good areas. And the batting again, you see how, I mean, they're so lucky to have the most technically sound batsman in the world.
Ken
You know,
Williamson.
in my opinion, you know, just playing Kane Williamson so late, and players around him learn so much. Like Jeet Rawal, I know he got dropped from the team recently, but he's a good friend of mine, and he always, you know, he got to see Kane Williamson live. You know how he bats, how he approaches his life, how he approaches his game. No better leader to have, you know, because he's so calm. He's like a what is it, like a someone
Buddha.
who's meditating, like a Buddha. Like he's meditating when he's playing. How good a ambassador for the country. You know,
Yeah.
so that is a big advantage. The leadership group, if you see the top 7 or 8 players, so plus 2 bowlers or 3 bowlers, all have played 60-70 games. So they've been in together for a long time. And that makes a huge difference. You know, if you have 3 bowlers playing 70 tests, 3 batsmen playing 70 and the keeper, it's just solid. You know, there's not too much changes happening.
How big a star Ken Williamson is back home in New Zealand?
That's what the funny part is. Here the culture is so different. Everyone is so chill. You know, they do, even if he walks on the street right now, he'll walk on the road, people will just say, hey, how are you? And they just leave him. They won't even take his autograph. You know, that is the beauty of this place. You know, it's no one gives anyone extra importance. The same importance Kane Williamson, and this is one thing I think is very important. The culture these guys have, unbelievable. They like, you'll find Kane Williamson running and giving drinks if he's 12th man or, you know, 13th man. That ego is not there. And I think that's one thing that I really appreciate over here. You know, anybody, even if you're washing, like if I go to the changing room, if I'm like in the thing, I'll sweep and clean up the changing room myself. Even if I'm the coach or if I'm the player or anything, no one thinks twice about it. It's not like, oh, he's doing this or anything. Like everyone does everything. The owner of the building does the cleaning. And it's not like it's a very normal culture.
ಸೊ ಜಾನಿ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಣ್ಯ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂದಿ ಇದಾರ ಆತರ ನಮ್ಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯ್,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
there is a reason for that. See, in India, you have got 130 crore people, you know, so everybody needs a job to fill their stomach. Whereas in New Zealand, Vijay, there are not many people. You can have a driver, cleaner, that, this, no, jana illa nammalli, ella neeve ಮಾಡಿ. Self service country adu. What, Barry?
I'll tell you one story. If you know, you order, like, let's say the house is clean. One day I was too lazy to clean, so I called up the cleaning company. Cleaning company came with Mercedes Benz. Okay. I was looking at the car. The car was 50 times better than my car. And that person came in like, oh, like 20 minutes later, there's $100 bill. You know,
For your laziness. For your laziness.
Next time. So, it's a different culture, I think. You know, it's and everyone is like very taken good care of. I think that is the main thing. You know, if anyone is going to be like dropped from the team, before they get dropped itself, they have all these other sessions, these people around them. So they have a very strong base before they get dropped. So they know they are like, they have enough chances. Otherwise, they don't get the chance also easily. They don't get it
Correct.
easily. When they get it, they get a good run. I think that's why they feel comfortable maybe.
Here, even
Okay.
if you have played 100 first-class matches, you will go look at the notice board. Your name is not there. You go back home.
Vijay, nobody notices.
Nobody notices. Nobody is there to tell you that you're not there in the team. Bro, you're not there. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Vijay,
Nobody to even talk.
Vijay,
Yeah. Hello, Jenny.
one more thing I want to tell you. See, ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಈಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ, ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏಜಾಸ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ ವಿಜಯ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನರ್. 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಂತ. 2 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನರ್. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಟು ಟೆಲ್.
Okay, I don't think in 2 years, but his story is 12 years ago when I came here. He was a fast bowler. He played under 19 Auckland Seamer. He was playing in my club, which I was coaching, and he was good bowler, 120, seaming it around both ways, swinging it and all that. And he played under 19, highest wicket taker. But then I saw his size, I saw his pace. I was like, Guru, no chance you want to play. He came to MRF as well, MRF Pace Academy, to learn bowling pace. And then I told him, boss, you will never play New Zealand, because he had ambitions. I said, why don't you, try some spin and see what happens? And he used to bowl spin in the nets, and he had a good action. So that winter, I was like, we don't have a good left arm spinner. I don't know how to coach left arm spin. I'm new to coaching, first thing. Went to Deepak Patel, and he worked with him and slowly developed him. The next season he played as spinner for our club. Bowled rubbish. But I was like, no, this guy will bowl well. He needs time. So anyway, he bowled for the whole season. Slowly got better. Then he realized he won't play in Auckland because there's too much competition. He went to another district, and he worked on it. And 2 years later, played first class cricket as a spinner, and the rest is history. But he played a lot of first class cricket before playing New Zealand.
In fact, he won a test match against Pakistan, Barry, in UAE, I guess. New Zealand won by 4 runs against Pakistan, and he was the man of the match.
Yeah, I think he's been, obviously Satna has been ahead of him, but I think he's a very, very good bowler in 5-day cricket, because he gets a bit of drift, little bit of turn, and he's quite attacking as a bowler, but very accurate also.
Can you sweep him?
Maybe. If I had a drive with you, then maybe I would have not. I wouldn't have used the sweep so much.
No, Barry, why the doubt? You are an accomplished sweeper, huh?
He got bored of sweeping. That's why he called the guys to clean the room.
No, to be honest, I don't sweep anymore so much, because in India, I thought it was easier to sweep bowlers because they were so accurate.
I know.
It's hard to sweep bowlers when they're not so accurate. Actually.
Yeah, correct.
I know you might actually, you'll be happy to know I actually drive a lot now.
Is it? Oh, Srinath will be very happy. Like Rahul Dravid, Sisya, drive audio. You used to tell.
Barry, where did you get that drive to drive more now?
Man, I still love learning. Okay, I still love to play, and I still hit balls almost every 2 days. Even now, even in the winter, I have a couple of friends over here who are crazy. We have the indoor. The good thing is we have indoor centers here, so I still enjoy it. Like last year, I still play club cricket only, but last year I must have got over 1,000 runs, just enjoying cricket.
Yeah, that's nice.
Just playing with that passion. I still love it.
You still carry that bread sandwich in the Tupperware.
Do you think I should mention what you used to call me on this lunch?
Bread Barry.
Vijay,
I hated bread, man. Seriously.
Vijay, that was his bread and butter, Vijay.
ಹೌದು ಜಾನಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹುಷಾರ್ ತಪ್ಪದಾಗ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಿನ್ಸೋರು. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗು ಗುರು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ amazed by the consistency which he brings.
Ayappa used to eat all my food.
Correct.
I wasn't used to eat my own breakfast.
But anyway, Johnny, we enjoyed not only your bread, man.
I miss MTR so much. I miss the dosa. and idli. Oh man, I'll do anything for that. One idli or dosa.
Dosa,
Um,
correct.
uh,
You cannot compete with South Indian dish, man. Bread can nowhere come near that. So
Nah. Now I think of the good old days sometimes.
mm.
Yeah.
I know you miss all of us, but we also miss you anyway. All the fun we had anyway.
We had some
I'm
good
happy that you're very much safe, sound, settled in New Zealand. That's
Yeah,
a
thank
good life which you are having. Thanks for joining, Johnny. Because
Yeah,
it's
thank
Johnny jete Barry ibru na 3 jana teammates maatadi esto din ಆಯ್ತು. I think you should join us some more time because
Of
we need to
course.
discuss a lot about New Zealand cricket. You are the best person to even enlighten us.
course.
ಏನಂತೆ Johnny?
Yeah, Barry, when are we seeing Roland Barrington as coach of New Zealand cricket?
Because I'm still playing. That's why I'm not really looking to go anywhere else. Because otherwise, I have to sit and watch the match, right?
Hmm.
I can't. So I'm still enjoying playing. So that's why I play as a player coach for my Premier team.
Oh.
Honestly,
What's
Barry,
what's the name of the club, Johnny? Barry?
Papatori Cricket Club.
What's
So
that?
Ish
Papatori.
used to play for this team before.
Oh, okay.
Like, then he moved, but he was originally from this team. He's
Okay.
another guy who has amazing talent, and I think he could play in the team as well, but unfortunately not getting a chance. But no, it definitely always good to hear you guys and enjoy the chat. Some good time.
Yeah.
Vijay, IPL
Yeah.
is flushed with New Zealand coaches. Please remember Mike Hesson, Stephen Fleming, Brendan McCullum, Daniel Vittori did for some time. So I thought Barrington is also going to join us shortly as coach. And
No. I'm still enjoying. I love coaching. I'll tell you, I love coaching. I coach just now finished coaching for 5 hours. I coached kids from age 10 years old to 14. And I coach Saturdays and Sundays. I still love coaching and I love playing. So I'm still enjoying coaching at maybe, Premier Cricket guys who aspire to play first class cricket at this point. And I enjoy that journey, taking them from age 10 to 18, 19. I was telling you about that boy, Aditya Ashok, who's a very good leg spinner. Watch out for that name. He's only 18 years old. And he played the World Cup as well, under 19s. I think he might play this one as well. He's a very, very good leg spinner. One of the most
Barry, to coach, you need to learn one thing: to shout at people, which you are not good at.
Too nice. I think after coaching, I'll become I'll go to some mountain and I'll do meditating, I think.
Yeah, that's a beautiful place, no? New Zealand, which has got a lot of mountains. Which is the best place you like in New Zealand, Barry?
I think there is Queenstown. That's a very beautiful place. All the ski fields and all that stuff over here. Beautiful, very nice. Yeah, we are lucky right now with all the, the country is taking good care of us with this COVID issues and all that stuff. I hope you guys are all safe over there.
Yeah. In fact, Johnny, Joshi meet ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್ ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ.
Joe took good care of me in England when I was there. Yeah, and he lived in
Joshi, when he was coach of Bangladesh, I think he told New Zealand, and there was that bomb blast also, and he was scared shit, if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. He ran off.
So Joshi cooked for you or you cooked for Joshi?
No, Joshi cooked for me. I didn't know how to cook then.
That's very nice. Okay, super. Anyway, we had great time on the show, Barry. Time's just flying off. Hopefully, you'll come back and join us in the next show also during the New Zealand series, or probably any other tournament when New Zealand plays, or any other subject which you would like to discuss, even about Ranji Trophy, Karnataka played, and how the experience was. Very nice of you to come and join with Johnny. Thanks, Johnny. Join agidike. Thanks, Barry. Superb. Nodi bala khushi aita. I'm very happy today.
Good to see you, Pinga. Thank you. Thanks, Johnny.
Thank you very much. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಲೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಟನ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಂದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಶತ್ರುನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್, ನೋ ಹೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಬ್ಯಾರಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತೆ.
Good night. Thank you.